Double-hung windows Dallas, Texas are a popular choice for homeowners seeking both style and functionality. With a variety of double-hung window styles Dallas available, you can find the perfect match for your home's aesthetic. Whether you're looking for traditional or modern designs, double-hung window showrooms Dallas offer a wide selection to choose from. Energy-efficient double-hung windows Dallas are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs. These windows are designed to provide superior insulation, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Double-hung window insulation Dallas is a key feature that helps maintain indoor temperatures, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. Custom double-hung windows Dallas allow homeowners to tailor their windows to specific needs and preferences, with options for double-hung window glass options. Dallas and double-hung window frame materials. Dallas, you can create a unique look that complements your home's architecture. Double-hung window experts. Dallas can guide you through the customization process to ensure the best results. For those in need of double-hung windows Dallas, there are numerous double-hung window contractors Dallas ready to assist. Whether it's a minor fix or a major overhaul, these professionals have the expertise to restore your windows to optimal condition. Regular double-hung window maintenance. Dallas can also help prevent future issues and extend the lifespan of your windows. Affordable double-hung windows. Dallas are available for budget-conscious homeowners, with double-hung window deals Dallas and double-hung window discounts. Dallas, you can find cost-effective solutions without compromising on quality. Double-hung window companies. Dallas offer competitive pricing and double-hung window quotes. Dallas to help you make informed decisions. Double-hung window installation. Dallas is a crucial step in ensuring the longevity and performance of your windows. Professional double-hung window contractors. Dallas provide precise double-hung window measurements. Dallas and expert installation services. Understanding the double-hung window installation cost. Dallas can help you plan your budget effectively. When considering double-hung windows Dallas, it's important to weigh the double-hung window replacement cost Dallas against the benefits. New windows can enhance your home's curb appeal, increase property value, and improve energy efficiency. Double-hung window benefits. Dallas include improved ventilation and ease of cleaning, making them a practical choice for any home. Double-hung window suppliers. Dallas offer a range of products to meet diverse needs. From standard sizes to custom orders, these suppliers provide high-quality windows that meet industry standards. Visiting double-hung window showrooms. Dallas can give you a better idea of the available options and help you make an informed decision. Double-hung window estimates. Dallas are essential for planning your window project. By obtaining detailed estimates, you can compare prices and services from different double-hung window companies Dallas. This ensures you get the best value for your investment and avoid unexpected costs.